Hi guys. So in this section we will discuss about Testng listeners. So what is listener? So listener is nothing but to modify the default behavior of Testng. Okay. So like using Selenium script, what is the default behavior of Testng we can modify, like we define our Testng XML file and we just execute some test case, and this is a role of Testng. But Testng also provide listeners where we can put extra thing for our logs or report purpose. Okay, so if you see this diagram, so these are the different Testng listeners are there, which we can implement in our class, and we can customize our test report. Okay, so today we'll discuss about this I test listener. Okay, so mostly this interface used to customize our Testng reports. Okay, so these are the interface provided by iTest listener. Okay, on start, on test success, on test failure, on test skip, on test fail but within the certain percentage, on finish. So when test is starting, what log message you want to put. When test is success, what log message you want to put. When failure, what thing you want to do, like at the time failure you want to take a screenshot or something you want to do. So you can do through this listener. You want to these are just abstract methods, so you implement in your own way. Okay, so let's start implementing those things. So I created one class called listener demo. Okay, and implements iTest listener. This is a listener. So just you, anyway we created my own projects, or testng jar will be there. Then you have to implement all the methods. So on finish, on start, test fail, on test failure. Here I'm just printing like a test name only, nothing else, for a demo purpose. Or when test is key, what will happen? When test start, what should do? When test success, what will do? So I implemented all this method with simple sys out. Okay, but in real example, like on test failure, as I told you, you want to take a screenshot. So from here, when test got fail, you can call uh, screenshot APIs and take a screenshot of a screenshot. Okay, so this will be happen. Okay, so now we have created our, we implemented our this listener. Now this is our listener class. Okay, now how to use in our test case. So this is our test file. So what I am doing, I created one test listener class. Here this is my test class. I return method at the test, and I'm launching on google.com and verifying the title. Okay, this is one test, and one more test I return where I'm doing just fail, just intentionally I'm failing, assert true, I just passing, so test case definitely will fail. Okay, so how you now insert listener, how you can call listener. So there is two way. One thing is this, I just uncomment this line. So you want a particular class only use listener, you can put at the rate listener annotation and the give the path of our what listener.demo class we have created, this listener.demo class. So under this package com.learning, this class is there dot class, so it will listen that listener only. So let's execute this. So I uncommenting this. Okay, now this is my test engine listener. Okay, I execute this class now. I am running like as a test and test only. Okay, run as test and test. So it launch. What will this happen? This is the log message once the test get completed. Okay, now see. So this is our test name. Fail the test. So this is our test name, function name actually. Fail the test. Okay, this the method. This method to test fail. Okay, this is a description that this we are putting here. The name of test case is this. Now this is a listener. Okay, this is a listener. Fail test started. This is the here. Then we are calling launch website test case started. So this is our launch website test. Okay, I'll just show you this maybe sometime. This is launch website test, and this is fail the test. Okay, these two tests are there. Then is executing. Now this failed, this pass. So the name of test case pass is this. So what we have written in listener is just executing those things. So it's a very simple way to like customize our reports. Now this is one way. One more way is there to directly write in testng.xml file. So I'll just show you testng.xml file. I copy in notepad. Okay. So to add listener in our testng file, this is a listener text. Okay. And this is the class name. What is listener class name? Okay. And this is our test name. So if there are multiple tests are there, this listener is added to everything. Okay. So there are 10 test cases are there. So this listener will be used everywhere. So this is like your globally putting listener on all classes. Okay. So this is another way. So to execute this, same one thing is like through Maven, or I'm here executing through, so run configuration. You want to execute as a testng, just create one testng, and here just browse and just select testng.xml file. So running as a suite. Okay, so I created under this testng, create a new project. Not project, is just create a run statement and just give a name. Select the project, browse. You can select which project you want. Okay, then select the testng Excel file. Okay, and run. So here class we have mentioned only one class, so output will be same only, nothing change. Okay, if there is multiple classes on under this XML file, then multiple thing will happen. Okay, same output will come. This is the same. Okay, so in next section we'll learn about new listener, how to implement those things. Thank you.